Repairing a non-booting Apple computer can be quite troublesome. Power on self-test shows an abnormality. It's clear. The motherboard is the likely culprit. The back cover is opened and the inside looks good. It's quite clean. The motherboard is secured. The screws are removed, disconnecting all the cables. The motherboard is removed. After removing the motherboard, a careful inspection is done. Because the computer's motherboard is quite large, a visual inspection can easily pinpoint the problem area. This chip shows signs of a short circuit. That's almost certainly the issue. Soldering flux is applied. The faulty chip is removed. This line is omitted due to unclear meaning and lack of context. Next, a new chip is installed. Let's test it. After connecting the motherboard cables, a power-on test is performed. To be certain, the computer is observed to ensure it boots up normally. After confirming there are no problems, the remaining screws are tightened and the back cover is replaced. After cleaning, everything is put back together. This line is omitted due to unclear meaning and lack of context. This line is omitted due to unclear meaning and lack of context. Now, this non-booting Apple computer has been successfully repaired.